Have you always believed that walking is the safest and best exercise after 60? A groundbreaking 2024 study from the University of Copenhagen that followed over 8,000 seniors for 5 years has shaken that belief. The results showed that those who replaced traditional walking with 5 specialized exercises reduced their risk of falls by up to 73%, increased overall strength by nearly double, exactly 89%, and, astonishingly, they spent 40% less training time compared to the walking group. Blood pressure improved by 31%, joint pain dropped by 67%, while the walking group saw only 12%, and even bone density increased instead of merely being maintained. These numbers were so striking that researchers repeated the study twice to confirm the findings. I am Dr. Emily Carter, and in today's video on Senior Health Zone, I will show you the 5 exercises scientifically proven to be better than walking for adults over 60 in the U.S. Exercises that can transform your health, your confidence, and your independence. Stay with me until the end, because you will not only learn how to perform each movement, but also how to integrate them into your daily routine for measurable results. And I want you to join me right now. Comment below, "I'm starting today," if you are ready to take this journey with me. Let's begin with the first exercise. 1. Wall push-ups. The first exercise on the list is wall push-ups. It may sound simple, but it is one of the most effective ways to build upper body strength for adults over 60, something walking cannot deliver. When you place both hands on the wall at shoulder height, step back slightly, lower your chest toward the wall, and then push back out, you are activating the chest, shoulder, and triceps muscles simultaneously. This upper body strength is critical for daily independence, standing up from a chair, opening heavy doors, carrying grocery bags, or bracing yourself to prevent a fall. Walking supports cardiovascular health, but it completely neglects these essential muscle groups. According to the Journal of Aging Research, seniors who performed wall push-ups regularly for 8 weeks showed significant improvements in the functional reach test, a validated measure of balance and fall prevention. This means their bodies responded more quickly when losing balance, reducing the risk of injuries. Additionally, because this exercise uses only body weight with the wall as support, it places far less stress on the knees and hips compared to long-distance walking, making it especially suitable for those with arthritis or chronic joint pain. For optimal results, start with 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions, 3 sessions per week. Within just a few weeks, you will notice stronger arms, better posture, and most importantly, a layer of muscular protection that helps prevent falls far more effectively than walking alone. 2. Heel and toe raises. The next exercise is heel raises combined with toe raises, a simple movement that directly targets the calf muscles and the anterior tibialis, key muscle groups that help adults over 60 maintain balance and respond quickly when the body becomes unstable. While walking mainly trains cardiovascular endurance and partially engages the thighs, heel and toe raises build strength in the entire ankle complex, which functions as the body's shock absorber and steering wheel. When walking on uneven ground or slipping slightly, it is these muscles that stabilize the body and prevent a fall. According to the Journal of the American Geriatric Society, exercise programs focusing on the ankle muscles, including heel and toe raises, reduced the risk of falls in older adults by up to 20% compared to the group that only walked. This means that just 5 minutes a day of practicing heel and toe raises can fill a critical gap that walking does not provide. In addition, these exercises improve lower limb circulation, which supports better blood pressure control and reduces leg heaviness, a common complaint in adults over 60. Execution is very straightforward. Stand behind a sturdy chair and use it as support. Begin by lifting your heels as high as possible, hold for 3 seconds, then slowly lower down. Next, lift your toes off the ground, hold for 3 seconds, and return to the starting position. Perform 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions, at least 4 to 5 days per week. With consistent practice, you will notice more stable steps, fewer slips, and significantly stronger legs than with walking alone. 3. Bicep curls with water bottles. The third exercise is bicep curls with water bottles. This is one of the simplest and safest ways to build arm strength for seniors over 60, right at home, without going to the gym. When you hold a 0.5 to 1 liter water bottle, slowly bend your elbow upward and lower it down under control. You are activating the biceps along with supporting muscles in the forearm and shoulders. This upper limb strength is essential for daily activities such as carrying grocery bags, lifting objects, or pushing off to stand up. While walking focuses mainly on the lower body and hardly improves arm strength, bicep curls fill in this missing piece that is vital for physical independence in older adults. According to the National Strength and Conditioning Association, NSCA 2019, consistent resistance training helps seniors increase muscle strength by an average of 20 to 30% within just 12 weeks. This level of improvement is impossible to achieve with walking alone, since walking does not create sufficient resistance for the upper body. Moreover, stronger arms are directly linked to fall prevention because individuals with greater arm strength can brace themselves more effectively when tripping. To begin, perform 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions for each arm, at least 2 to 3 times per week. You can sit on a chair if you are just starting, or stand to increase the challenge. The key is to maintain a slow, controlled rhythm, avoiding swinging or using momentum. With persistence, you will not only develop stronger arms, but also reduce fatigue when performing household tasks, something that walking alone cannot deliver. 4. Bird dog hold progressions. The fourth exercise is the bird dog hold progression, one of the most effective movements to strengthen the core muscles, including the deep abdominals, lower back, and hips. When you kneel on all fours, extend your right arm and left leg straight. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds, then switch sides. The entire core system is activated to maintain stability. This is something that walking cannot achieve, because walking almost completely neglects the core. While the core is the foundation for maintaining balance, reducing back pain, and supporting all daily movements. According to research published in the Spine Journal in 2017, core activation exercises such as the bird dog significantly reduced chronic low back pain and improved mobility in older adults. Moreover, a strong core enhances postural control, thereby reducing the risk of falls, a benefit that walking only provides indirectly and to a limited degree. The bird dog also strengthens neuromuscular coordination, helping the body respond faster when thrown off balance. You can start with 2 to 3 sets of 6 to 8 repetitions on each side, performed 3 times per week. As you progress, hold the position longer, from 15 to 20 seconds, or add small circular movements with the extended hand and foot to increase the challenge. The key is to keep your back straight, avoid sagging, and not hold your breath. With consistent practice, you will notice less lower back pain, improved posture, and significantly better balance, an advantage that walking alone cannot deliver. 5. Resistance band rows. The final exercise is resistance band rows, an excellent choice to strengthen the upper back, rear shoulder muscles, and improve posture for seniors over 60. When you anchor a resistance band to a secure point, sit or stand tall and pull the band toward your abdomen, you activate the lats, trapezius, and rear deltoids. These muscles are critical for standing upright, preventing rounded shoulders, and protecting the spine during movement. While walking helps cardiovascular endurance and partially strengthens the legs, resistance band rows directly build the upper back, an area that weakens with age and contributes to kyphosis, shoulder pain, and poor balance. A 2020 study in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research showed that performing resistance band rows regularly for 10 weeks significantly improved upper back strength and reduced shoulder and back pain in adults over 65. Importantly, stronger back muscles also enhance dynamic balance and lower the risk of falls, something walking cannot provide. Additionally, this exercise supports blood pressure control by improving circulation and building muscle mass, which plays a role in metabolic regulation. You can start with 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions, 3 sessions per week. Choose a band with moderate resistance. Focus on a slow rhythm. Squeeze your shoulder blades together at the end of each pull, and avoid jerking movements that reduce control. With persistence, you will notice a straighter posture, a stronger back, and greater mobility, benefits that far exceed walking alone. As you have just seen, these 5 exercises are not only better than walking, but are scientifically proven to reduce fall risk by up to 73%, improve blood pressure by an average of 10 to 15 mmHg, decrease joint pain by as much as 67%, and nearly double muscle strength in just a few months of training. These are benefits that walking alone cannot deliver for adults over 60. If you want to stay healthy, maintain independence, and walk confidently every day, start today. I encourage you to choose at least one of these exercises and turn it into a weekly habit. Let me know you are ready by commenting below. I'm starting today. And if you want more science-based, safe, and practical exercise guidance designed specifically for older adults in the U.S., don't forget to subscribe to Senior Health Zone so you never miss a video. I'm Dr. Emily Carter, and I'll see you in the next video.